Hello everyone and welcome to Core. This is a game on Game Creator. P6, yes, Game Creator, not CPS Maker. Look at this. This takes place in the same universe as Murder Massacre. Bullet Rubber. That's true. Train. We got an outside. Faster bullet. Yeah, boy. We got faster bullet. What if we go on the train track? Nothing happens. That's right, nothing happens when we go to the train track. Let's go! Shoot, boy! Yeah. Shooting! Yes! No! Why?
Project details lang yun.
Look at this. I'm gonna speedrun the game.
Kailangan ka doon. Search mo na yan.
Yeah.
Tapos search mo.
Wait a minute. Auto. There we go. Oh, look at this guy. He's trapped in the train. Yeah.